In today's video, I will walk you through how to add or link a credit or debit card to PayPal account. First, go to the official PayPal website at www.paypal.com and sign into your PayPal account using your email or phone number and password. If required, complete the verification code as well. After logging in, you will be on your account homepage. If you are using a PayPal personal account, from your homepage, click on Payment Methods or Wallet. There you will find the Link a Card option. Click on it to continue. After clicking Link a Card, you will be taken to the card setup page. Here, you need to enter your credit or debit card details. Start by entering your card number. Once you type the number, PayPal will automatically recognize the card type. Make sure your card is one of the supported card types shown by PayPal. Next, select the expiration date of your card. After that, enter the security code or CVV from your card. You can usually find this code on the back side of your credit or debit card. Then check your billing address. Make sure the billing address matches the information connected to your bank account. If the address is not correct, you can choose a new address and update it. Once all the details are entered correctly, scroll down and click on Link Card, Confirm or Submit at the bottom. PayPal will then confirm your card information. After that, you may be redirected to your bank's verification page. You will receive an OTP on your phone number from your bank. Enter the OTP correctly, then scroll down and click on Submit. After the verification is completed successfully, your credit or debit card will be linked to your PayPal account. And that's pretty much it. That is how you can add or link a credit or debit card to your PayPal account. Thank you for watching.